Now on 16, we're doing linking the statement of retained earnings and balance sheet. Okay, so remember in 13, 14, and 15, we did a very similar exercise where we went through developing a income statement, statement of retained earnings, and then a balance sheet. And so we linked those together. We're going to do it again with 16, but with slightly different information. All right. So prepare its year-end statement of retained earnings. Remember, retained earnings starts with a balance at the beginning, plus net income, and minus dividends to come up with the ending balance. Now we have the net income here. We also have dividends here. So we should be able to do this one pretty easy. So let's look at this. You've already got the date in here. We're going to start in with a beginning balance. And it doesn't give us a beginning balance, so we have to assume, let's see, retained earnings as of this is for the whole year. So retained earnings January 1. This is going to be retained earnings for December 31st. This is going to be 0 because they didn't give us any information otherwise. So first year of operations. All right. So we're going to have net income and we're going to have less dividends. All right. So the net income is 60,500 and the dividends is minus 22,500 for a total of $38,000. And we want to remember $38,000 because we're going to come over here required B. And let's just go ahead and put that in here. $38,000. That's the retained earnings. Okay. Now we can go ahead and do the other things that we did before, which is this is assets. This is total assets, right? This is liabilities. This is right here, equity. This is total equity. And this is total liabilities and equity. Okay, so we should have all the descriptors in there, the row headers or the column headers in there. Now we just have to drop in the rest of the information. And so let's start off with cash, right? And that's going to be cash of 6,500. While we're here, we might as well, we'll just do this sequentially. Okay, then we could go accounts receivable. Accounts receivable for 7,500. We have equipment of 9,500. See, I almost did a fat finger with 800. And then we have land. Land of 35,500. Now over here we have accounts payable of 3,500 and nothing else. No, it's suggesting it wants to add things together, but no, we're not going to do anything there. We should have common stock. And that's going to be for 17,500. And we're going to have less. No, dividends are already taken care of. So we should be all good. So 59,000 here, 59,000 here, we're equal. So that's good news. All the assets are here, liabilities, common stock, retained earnings. We should be okay. So let's check our work, see if it wants it a little bit different looking. Let's check. Oh, and it's, oh, because I accidentally put in the wrong thing here. I was typing and not watching. So we want to do receivables here. Receivable. Okay. Now we can check our work. Oh, dang it, I did it again. It should be land for 35,500. Okay, let's do that again. All right, my bad. Everybody, you're all looking at me saying, Brother Lewis, you're not that smart right now. You're right. Check my work. Okay, I got it right on the third and last try. Okay, so both of these is 16. Hope that works out.